In this video, we'll be showcasing the best beginner RC planes of 2023. We've done the research and testing to bring you the top picks for those just starting out in the world of RC planes. Check out the links in the description for more information on each of the planes we'll be featuring. Let's get started. First, the Turbo Timber 1.5 BNF is an updated version of the iconic Timber design, with some new features to enhance its performance. One of the coolest features of this aircraft is the STOL or Short Takeoff and Landing feature, which allows it to take off and land in small spaces. Additionally, the Turbo Timber has sport and aerobatic flight capabilities, making it fun to fly. One of the strongest points of this aircraft is its excellent control during flight, takeoff, and landing. You can make excellent turns, including stall turns and flat turns, and the short takeoff and landing features are outstanding. The plane can also fly pretty slow without stalling, and the overall speed range is surprisingly wide. The Turbo Timber has a stiffer wing than the original Timber, which gives the craft more authority and control in the air. This makes it less likely to get knocked off course and gives you more control. LED lights also add to the visual appeal of the aircraft. Overall, we had an excellent product experience with the E-flite Turbo Timber remote control aircraft. It feels great to fly with either a 3-cell or 4-cell LiPo, thanks to the tri-blade propeller. The plane is best for scale-like flight and is suited for flying in light wind as well. By the time you're finished flying, you'll feel like a master pilot. We highly recommend the E-flite Turbo Timber for anyone looking for a fun and exciting remote control aircraft. You can find it at your local RC plane store or online, and it's an excellent choice for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Next, the EFL Valiant 1.3M BNF Basic. The Valiant offers the stability of a high-wing model combined with a sporty feel, making it a great choice for pilots of any level, even beginners. The AS3X receiver with Safe Select technology provides a smooth and stable flight, making it easy to learn to fly. One of the coolest features of this aircraft is the AS3X receiver, which is coupled with Safe Select technology. This combination ensures a smooth and stable flight, even for beginner pilots. The Valiant also offers functional flaps, which allow you to fly to the best of your ability and the limits of the aircraft. The Valiant's strong points include functional flaps, an aluminum landing gear, a 480 brushless power system, and float set readiness. The stable trainer plane is perfect for beginners, and the AS3X receiver ensures a smooth and stable flight. The 480 brushless motor provides excellent power, and the landing gear is sturdy. Overall, we had a great product experience with the EFL Valiant 1.3M BNF Basic remote control airplane. The functional flaps make for a great flying experience, and the 480 brushless motor provides excellent power. The Valiant is float set ready and allows for water landings. It's a stable trainer plane perfect for beginners, thanks to the AS3X receiver and Safe Select technology. If you're looking for a great remote control airplane with cool features and excellent functionality, we highly recommend the EFL Valiant 1.3M BNF Basic. Next, the Volantrex P51 Mustang is a light remote control aircraft that packs a punch with its excellent features that are perfect for beginners. The propeller's saver design protects the electronic components and prevents damage to the propellers, while the gearbox power system allows the plane to fly faster while consuming less power. The Mustang is incredibly easy to learn how to fly, and the stabilizer system helps to keep the plane steady in windy conditions. The one-key acrobatics and U-turn controls allow you to perform impressive tricks and turns with just a click of a button. The one-stick control system is ideal for those new to flying remote control planes, making it a great option for beginners. One thing to be aware of is flying the plane in windy conditions. Keep the plane in front of you to avoid it flying off, and make sure that you can always see the plane to utilize the U-turn feature effectively. Flying the Volantrex P51 Mustang is an enjoyable experience for beginners who want something simple that feels advanced. The ease at which you can pull tricks and turns makes flying a blast. Advanced users can disable the special controls and control the plane using their skills and techniques. Overall, the Mustang is an excellent choice for both beginner and intermediate users. The fully assembled design is perfect for those who want to get straight into flying. Thanks for watching our video on the best beginner RC planes of 2023. We hope this has been helpful in finding the perfect plane for your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more RC plane content, and check out the links in the description for more information on the planes featured in this video. Happy flying!